This video tutorial I will explain Spring plus Quartz Scheduler integration example. Here you can see the pom.xml, and here I have configured the dependency jars which are required for this project. Spring related jars and Quartz related jars. Here I have defined the class report current time. In this class I have applied at component annotation. It has a print current time method which prints the current time. We will see how to configure to execute this print current time at a particular interval. This is the Spring configuration file. Here I have mentioned do the component scan for this package. Here I have created bean for method invoking job detail factory bean. It has two properties, target object and target method. Target object I have referred as report current time, object of this class, and target method is print current time, this method. Here I have created bean for SimpleTriggerFactoryBean, and it has three properties, job detail, start delay, and repeat interval. Job detail I have referred as simple job detail, this bean, and start delay is 1 second, and repeat interval is 2 seconds. So here I have configured to run this job at every 2 seconds with the initial delay of 1 second. So the print current time method of report current time object will be running every 2 seconds with the initial delay of 1 second. Here I have configured scheduler factory bean. It glues together job details and the triggers. Job detail is simple job detail, this one, and trigger is simple trigger, this one. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the job is executed on every 2 seconds and printing the current time. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.